Welcome to Becky Beach AI Tutorials. I'm Becky Beach. In today's video, we're going to be making coloring pages using Canva AI. Canva AI is new and it was rolled out during the Canva keynote. And it's so exciting. I can't wait to show you everything about Canva AI coloring pages and how to make them. Make sure to subscribe and be part of the Beach family. If you're already a Beach family member, give yourself a big hug from me. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So here is Canva, and we're going to go over here to Canva AI. And then we're going to, once we're here, see Canva AI, describe your idea, bring it to life. So make sure you're here. And then click on image. Then you see all these prompt ideas below. Like hiking up Mount Everest, a dog wearing a party hat, mid-century modern apartment, simple skincare bottle, toasting marshmallows, cute work desk lamp, city dust, cat playing with the ball of yarn. There's another image for a fantasy novel. Let's go ahead and make a coloring image. I'm going to say create a coloring page image of a cute Valentine's puppy and kitten with heart balloons. They are at a party. Make the image black and white. Make the image black line art with large areas for a child to color. Have it be an anime style, and black and white only, black ink only, yeah, black ink only, with thin clear lines. Have it be US letter size with high resolution for printing. Okay, so I'll have this prompt in the description. So let's see what other, and then this is we're gonna do 3x4, and then the style, we're just gonna, there's all different styles that it could take, yeah, but let me just go ahead, just put none, because I already specified the style, and let's see what we get. Oh, look how cute. Oh, this one's so cute. Look how good this is. That's a good one. Yeah, it looks like these other ones are more simple, but I think this one turned out the best. That is so super cute, don't you think? So now we can open an editor. So come up here, you see right there, what does this do? Bad result. This is little say good result. And then we're going to go here, and we can open an editor. So now we have our very cute image. So we can also go to resize and custom size 8.5 by 11 and resize this design. So it looks like, make sure it's resized, and it looks like down here you see there's like some kind of watermark or something. So that's okay. We'll go to eraser, and then magic eraser, and then we'll just click that and go to erase. So it got rid of it. Do you see anything else that's bad? It looks like this heart doesn't look good, so I'm going to also erase that. And this heart too doesn't look very good, so I'm going to get close to the puppy's ear and erase that. Yeah, so that turned out very cute. I also see something going on there too. Let's scroll in. Yeah, it looks like there's something strange going on around there. So I'm gonna just take my brush and just get rid of that. Just weird how there's this strange stuff happening right there. Okay, yeah, it looks a lot better. Let's get rid of this too. Okay, yeah, it looks a lot better. You can just look at the image. Looks right here. There's also some kind of weird line happening. We could get rid of that. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, that is very cute. And if you wanted to sell this on Amazon, you go to File, Settings, Show Rules and Guides, and then File, Settings, Show Margins. No, wait a minute, not that. File, Settings, and turn off margins. Now File, Settings, and then Add Guides, and go to Custom, and do one column, and then 0.5 margin, and 0.5 margin, and then add guides. And you see how it's off the guides. Let's make sure we move it. Yeah, there we go. So that way it's better for Amazon, because Amazon likes a 0.5 margin or it'll get rejected. You see now how there's like a blank open space right here. Well, I'm going to go ahead and go to Shapes and just click this square. And I want to make a box around the image so it would enclose that heart, so it's not just a heart off to the side like that. So let's make the stroke about 2, and inside click transparent. So now the heart will be shut off by this box. I think that just looks more elegant. Yeah, but I think that turned out very cute. So this is Valentine's coloring page. As you could see, creating a coloring page with Canva AI is so quick and easy, and super easy to edit if you see any mistakes. Again, make sure to subscribe, part of the Beach family. Hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye!